Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today, guys, is, yeah, it's my lunch break anyways, so, yeah, what we're gonna be doing is I'm just going to show you a place outside in my backyard. Sorry if it's extremely blurry, because, well, I'm outside. So, here's my swing, but we're not going to the swing. We're heading this way, by the forest part. So, let's just head over here. Look how green it's getting. You guys probably can't see it because of the sun. Oh my gosh. Look! There's a dandelion! Oh my god! They're so cute. Look! A purple flower. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what I'm going to be showing you beautiful outside. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. It's getting nice and green over here. Here is my wolf den. Actually, you guys are probably like, what? Wait, what? Yeah, it got a little messy over here. What was that? What be that? Okay, no one cares what that be. Oh, it's just a bird. Am I stupid? Yeah, here's the tree I used to climb. I mean, not used to, I still do. Yes. Wow. And over there's a log, if you could see it. I climbed on that with my nan. And then this is just the normal place of the wolf den. This is the front. Kind of got a little weird, because all these branches fell off. But if you go even further down here, under here is like a little garden sort of place. There's these tiny little bushes with like these cute little leaves. Oh my god, they're so cute. And then like here was supposed to be the place of my room, yes. But like, you know, broken. Now again, I'm very sorry how blurry it is. Very sorry. But yeah, that's the wolf den. I just wanted to show you guys for videos in the future. If I go in there, you'll know. And these cute little dandelions. Comment down below if you see dandelions already. My god! Like seriously, they're all over the field already. They're all starting to bloom. The dandelions. They're all starting to come. Usually in this field, there's like 5,000 dandelions. Like it's just an apocalypse. I see flowers blooming over there. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Now I must go eat popsicle because I am too hot already. I hope you enjoyed this video, because just showing you the wolf den, obviously. And yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go swing and get a popsicle. Bye, people.